Hello and welcome. In today's session, we are going to explore a very important subject that impacts every single one of us: saving money. The truth is, financial stability is not about how much you earn, but how effectively you manage what you already have. No matter your income level, here are always strategies to reduce waste, cut unnecessary spending, and make your money work harder for you. I'll share with you 10 simple yet powerful ways to save money every month. Each of these methods is practical, achievable, and when combined, can transform your financial life. Way 1. Track every expense. One of the most overlooked habits in personal finance is tracking your spending. Think of it this way. If you don't know where your money is going, how can you control it? Keep a daily log, either with an app like Mint or even in a simple notebook. Categorize your expenses: groceries, dining out, transportation, utilities, subscriptions, and personal spending. At the end of the week, review your log. You'll be surprised how many unnecessary purchases you've made without realizing. When you track your money, you bring awareness. And awareness is the first step to saving. Way 2. Create a realistic monthly budget. A budget is not about restricting yourself. It's about giving every dollar a job. Start with your income. Write it down clearly. Then list your fixed expenses: rent, utilities, insurance, transportation. Next, allocate money to savings before you allocate to wants. Yes, pay yourself first. Even 10% of your income set aside can build wealth over time. Finally, leave a portion for entertainment, fun, or relaxation. A budget should not feel like punishment. Way 3. Cut back on unnecessary subscriptions. We live in a world of subscriptions. Netflix, Amazon Prime, Spotify, Disney+, gym memberships, apps, and so on. But ask yourself, are you using all of them regularly? Audit your subscriptions once a month. Cancel the ones you hardly use. Share family or group plans where possible. Cutting just 2 to 3 unused subscriptions can easily save you $30 to $50 every month, which adds up to $600 annually. Way 4. Cook at home more often. Eating out is one of the biggest silent money drains. A single restaurant meal can equal the cost of 3 or 4 home-cooked meals. Cooking at home doesn't just save money. It also improves your health. Prepare weekly meal plans and shop with a grocery list. If you reduce eating out from 4 times a week to once a week, you could save hundreds of dollars every month. Way 5. Use the 24-hour rule before purchases. Impulse buying is one of the biggest enemies of saving. To fight this, whenever you want to buy something non-essential, wait for 24 hours. During that time, ask yourself, do I really need it? Will it add value? Can I live without it? More often than not, the desire fades and you save money. This simple pause can stop you from wasting hundreds on items you don't actually need. Way 6. Reduce utility bills. You can't avoid paying for electricity, water, or gas, but you can reduce them. Switch to energy-efficient bulbs. Turn off lights and appliances when not in use. Fix leaking faucets. Unplug electronics that are rarely used. Small actions may seem insignificant, but collectively, they lower your monthly bills significantly. Way 7. Shop smart with discounts and coupons. Never pay full price if you don't have to. Look for discounts, sales, and online coupon codes before making purchases. Buy in bulk for items you use often. Avoid brand obsession. Sometimes store brand items are just as good and much cheaper. With smart shopping, you can reduce grocery and household expenses by 15 to 20% easily. Way 8. Limit the use of credit cards. Credit cards give convenience, but also encourage overspending. Use cash or debit for everyday purchases. If you must use a credit card, pay the balance in full to avoid interest. Keep only 1 or 2 cards instead of 5 or 6. This not only saves you from debt, but also strengthens your money discipline. Way 9. Automate your savings. Saving money should not rely on willpower. Make it automatic. Set up your bank account to transfer a portion of your income directly into savings or investments. Treat this as a fixed expense, just like rent or utilities. When you don't see the money in your spending account, you won't be tempted to use it. Way 10. Set clear financial goals. Finally, saving becomes easier when you know why you are saving. Do you want to build an emergency fund? Buy a house? Start a business? Save for retirement? When your goal is clear, every dollar saved feels meaningful. Motivation stays strong and discipline becomes natural.